The story of the World War II drone, the TDR-1. During World War II, the US Navy tested a revolutionary weapon, a drone designed to strike enemy targets remotely. Meet the TDR-1, the first operational combat drone. The TDR-1 was developed by the Interstate Aircraft and Engineering Corporation in 1942. This innovative project was part of a broader effort during World War II to explore the potential of unmanned aerial vehicles. The engineers and designers at Interstate Aircraft worked tirelessly to create a drone that could be used for reconnaissance and combat missions. Their work was groundbreaking, laying the foundation for the advanced drone technology we see today. The TDR-1 was a marvel of its time, showcasing the ingenuity and forward-thinking of its creators. Unlike modern drones, this early unmanned aircraft was controlled via radio signals sent from a mothership, usually a TBM Avenger. The TBM Avenger, a torpedo bomber, would carry the TDR-1 to its target area. Once in position, the TDR-1 would be released and guided by the radio signals. This method of control was quite advanced for its time, allowing the TDR-1 to perform missions without risking the lives of pilots. The TDR-1's development marked a significant milestone in the history of aviation, demonstrating the potential of unmanned flight and paving the way for future innovations in drone technology. Equipped with a television camera for live visuals, the TDR-1 drone was a marvel of its time. This early form of unmanned aerial vehicle was designed to provide real-time footage to operators, allowing them to guide it with precision. In addition to its advanced camera system, it carried a formidable 2,000-pound bomb, capable of causing significant destruction. The TDR-1 was essentially a flying bomb designed to seek and destroy high-value targets with deadly accuracy. This innovative technology marked a significant advancement in military strategy and aerial combat. Its primary targets were heavily fortified Japanese warships and bunkers, which were critical to the enemy's defense. The TDR-1's ability to deliver precise strikes made it a valuable asset in the Allied forces' arsenal during World War II. The TDR-1 saw action in 1944 during the Bougainville campaign in the Pacific Theater. This innovative drone was a marvel of its time, representing a significant leap in military technology. The Bougainville campaign was a critical part of the Allied strategy to reclaim the Pacific Islands from Japanese control. The TDR-1, with its remote-controlled capabilities, provided a new dimension to warfare, allowing for precision strikes without risking pilot lives. Out of 50 missions, nearly half were successful, striking enemy ships and anti-aircraft positions. These missions demonstrated the potential of unmanned aerial vehicles in combat, paving the way for future advancements in drone technology. The footage of these missions shows the effectiveness and precision of the TDR-1, marking it as a significant contributor to the success of the Bougainville campaign. The legacy of the TDR-1 lives on in modern drone warfare, showcasing the enduring impact of this early innovation. But the TDR-1 was ahead of its time. Challenges with technology and competing priorities in the war effort meant it was retired by 1945. And though short-lived, the TDR-1 paved the way for the drones we know today, a small but important step in the evolution of warfare. Want more amazing stories about the history of drones? Hit that subscribe button for more.